Backtesting every day on some profile, day 294. It got uploaded now. Same video twice. I'm not sure if I did. I have to check now. Am I still online? Oh yeah, I am, but my mic is wrong. Let's see. It's so annoying that it does that and I can't just turn off my... Oh yeah, I am, but my mic is wrong. Let's see. So annoying that it does that and I can't just turn off my... Hello? Yeah, now it's working. Hello? Yes. Okay. Alright, so we're gonna continue with 2020. Yeah, this is where I ended yesterday. These are all break-even trades, took multiple break-even trades. Let's see how that looks like on Notion. Yeah, now it's working. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Where do we have to stream on? Right, so we're gonna continue with 2020. Oh, here. Okay. Yeah, it should work. Yeah, so took a lot of break-even trades, which yeah, with the spreads and stuff, I think it would be like even more. I think it would be like $5, maybe even $20 drawdown on that trading day. Wait. Nins, you got another chance. You're taking a break. Taking another challenge right now. I was trading it today. The new challenge account, I was up 1500, but got 2 L's today, and yeah, it's now in 50k 500. So yeah, and yeah, like I had a long here, and I got 2 longs in here, but yeah, we got a manipulation lower. Eventually wanted to go, but it is nice, like Wix doing the damage, me getting stopped out, and then Body's telling a story like we do want to go higher, but just a bit more manipulation. Unfortunate today. I don't know. How is this not... I took a W this day. Didn't I? That was break even. Oh no, it's 3 break even trades. Yep. Okay, so yeah. Trying to continue with 2020 right now. Let's see. Let's go to Friday, see if it's trading day. Yeah, no, I'm not gonna give up. So we're gonna continue, of course. 7th of May. NFP. Remove. Okay, let's see. Got a 4-hour busy. We are insanely bullish. Again, it feels a bit slow. Busy here. I had a short after taking on previous day high, but lucky I didn't get tagged on. The trade that I got tagged was now unfortunate. Yeah, okay. So it should be like a break-even day. Also really unfortunate, yeah. How didn't you get tagged in? Just like, did price just not go there, or was it like with a What was it exactly? William, saw that you blow your phone at this part of the game, man. Just gotta keep pushing, brother. My name was close before. Oh, yo, what's up, man? But thank you, man. Thank you. Yeah, it's hard, but it's not the end. I'll just build, like, keep doing the challenge accounts, and then hopefully we'll be back to the funness really quick again. What's up, man? Yeah, man. Also, some technical difficulties with the microphone, but now it's working. Right? Yeah. Did you take any trades today, man? Not in here. I'm still looking for, or I am looking for longs. Don't have any other news. We are holding this gap. Let's see. Nothing here. Nope, waiting. Nothing here. Nope. And then stages of accumulation. Buy side. Buy side. There and there. Price missed by a few pips. Only take the FEG, but my limit order was on the... Oh, yeah. Well, you had the right idea, yeah. It is always very unfortunate it also happens, but... Had the right idea, and you'll... Like, training week just started also for both of us, so hopefully we get some good price action for us. Yeah, both this week. How was the day? Honestly, today was a good day. We had a good setup today on NAS 100 to sell at previous day high. To sell. Yeah, I was only trading AM session. Oh, here, yeah. Or only PM session, sorry. You mean there? Very nice. Yeah, well, I took two, like, it was a decent day, I would say. Like, price action wise, just very bullish. That's nice. I did take 2 losses though today, but yeah, still doesn't change how, like, price action was still pretty clean. I was, I had this busy marked out, 50 minutes. Was it like 4 minute on ES? And then I took 2 longs in here with this IVG, taking internal equal lows twice. So first here, closure above, long, stopped out. We closed above again after taking equal lows again, stopped out unfortunately. Idea was correct, I would say, but yeah, as IST says, wicks do the damage, me getting stopped out on a wick, and then bodies tell the story like it still wanted to go higher. But unfortunate, happens. Alright, let's see. But still was a clean day, I'd say, right? Nothing here. Could be really bullish, okay. 2 minute maybe. 3 minutes. Nope, nothing yet. Let's see if we want to trade lower, then looking if we have any gaps in there. Let's see. We'll mark it out now. We have that huge busy here on yes, we're not really in it, but just to make it clean. What gap do we have here? We have a singular 3 minutes. If we did tap. This could be an entry. If we inverse, I think. No, we don't. We're about to now, but I see now that... Oh, actually. Okay, now we did take equal lows here then. Times this, 11. And then we have this as the IVG. Closure above. Okay, and then break even. This already got closed in, so break even will be at a... Oh, that'll be right there. Oh, then it isn't a trade. No, it's not a trade then. Because ES already took out the highs where I'll be break even, so I'm waiting. Okay, now again manipulation lower. Taking some sort of equal lows here on ES, but also on NQ. Still in this gap, still in the kill zone. Singular Sibi, IVG. And then closure above. Stop at the low. Break even, that will be again at that high, which is then on yes right there, which is not taken yet, so that will be break even on NQ here. First and final TP, that will be there, that black line, we'll see. Hopefully at least break even. Okay, it is break, oh now, yeah, now I'm break even. Or it was break even trade, yeah. Let's see if you want to form another setup. Still take it one to go higher, so that's why. Yeah, there, oh yeah. But did you take anything today, Artemis? Oh, very clean, very clean. But no entries, unfortunately. One break even so far, and I am trading the PM, so see how price action is there. Paste that in there. Definitely 1 minute. New York. Let's go to the PM session. Oh. Okay. Let's see, stage of accumulation I've marked out. It's right here. These look very clean. Oh, this is a sad song. Let's see. Sorry. Alright, so we have a gap here, gap there. We're still holding this as a singular one though. 15, yeah. I do think we're gonna go lower, but still marking it out. If we inverse it, doesn't mean anything, because we didn't take out the range high. Then on ES we have singular 30 minute here. Don't have to tap it, NQ is already in the cap. I do think maybe NQ wants to take out these lows and then go higher, but yeah, could also not do that, of course. Let's see, yeah, now we went lower. Now we have a singular 30 minute here as well. And I'm simply expecting internal to external to the buy side up there. Let's see what it wants to do. Okay, trading all the way lower, wow. Damn, what a drop. Still going to be bullish though, because we didn't take out the range high. We're just extremely bullish still so far on higher time frame, and then this. Even though it does look a bit more bearish, I'm still looking for longs here. Yeah, let's see. Let's see what we do. Okay, there's a tiny gap there, which is not even going to be a trade. Okay, this could be something. Really zoomed in here, but could be 1406. Okay, this is an entry. ES taking equal lows. Even though we totally disrespected this gap, higher time for me still is bullish. We did disrespect here as well, but we didn't take out the range high, so to me it doesn't mean anything. We have optimal trade entry, which we did not even tap. Equilibrium we did too. Let's look at the 5 minute then actually. Do we take a 5 minute low? Oh, then it isn't an entry, right? No, then it isn't. So waiting for a 5 minute low. Now it could be the inverse, which we do, and this is going to be a short then, or short, long. Now we tapped optimal trade entry as well. Tiny IVG. I don't have to be right. Like, I'm not gonna catch the entire move up there. Maybe that, like, what's the chance of that even happening? But all I need is a small scalp. Or small, just gonna be a scalp. Yeah, that would be first and full TP. See if you want to get it. I do think this does look good as like some sort of trend line liquidity here. Okay, break even on ES there. Let's see, do we want to go higher? Taking out all these lows. Let's see, very nice. Funny trade. See what we did eventually. Do we still went higher? Oh, look at that. We did. But yeah, that's not what I'm trying to catch, even though it's very, very nice. So yeah, saw my kills on as well, but look at that. Very nice. I could have it on a screenshot. I think I can. Five-minute low. Equilibrium. Very nice. W day. Price action was yeah, pretty good. Yeah, it was very good, I would say. News, we had NFP. Yeah. Oh shit, we had Trump speaking. Oh my god. He's speaking at 8 a.m. So I'm not even trading this day. Okay. Yeah, once I see Trump speaking, like even though this was very, very clean price action, I see Trump and I just don't even trade today. So yeah. That's just unfortunately not a W day. No trades that day. President speaking. Okay. But yeah, like I can't just say, oh no, because this day is special because it no. Like Trump is just speaking, my rules tell me, okay, Trump is speaking, it's can just be a weird market. Yeah, I'm just skipping that day once I see that. So I've seen many times that's just very, very bad price action. So okay. So going to the next day, which will be Monday, only London session trading. Still insanely bullish. It's going to be a draw or a draw. You have nothing here, so all time high is going to be a draw. It's be low hanging fruit, which will probably get taken right away. Zooming in. Okay, that high is already taken on yes, so that'll be here then. Yeah, we're so insanely bullish. This will be an IVG. Probably just a busy on NQ. Oh, we don't have it yet actually. But still, looking at the structure. Maybe, oh, it's not even Monday. Let's go to Monday. Oh yeah, London session. Alright, here it is. Okay. So again, what is price action looking like? I don't know, do we have a gap here? No, we don't. Then we do have a singular 1 hour here, which we are holding. Again, simply just expecting direction higher. Let's see. Five minutes. Does already look so clean here. Let's be at least a stage of accumulation. That's taken here as well. Here. Here. Okay. Just look at this structure. Okay. Let's see. Could be something here with this gap. Close above, or we tap the inefficiency, so it's not a trade. Do 2 minute up there, but the risk reward is 0 below 0.5, so will not even be a trade. So I look at this like so. Where would I be break even? That'll be there. 0.44. Oh, it's kind of close actually. If it's 0.5, then it would have been a trade, but it was not. Okay, this could be very nice. Okay, again, close above, and I'll be break even there, so there's no reason for me to take this. Okay, take out the stage accumulation, both on NQ, or yes, took them both. Draw still higher, that'll be all the way up there. There, and then here. Okay. It's also like a banger song. I don't know when it came out, but watch out for this. 2013. It doesn't look like that long ago, but 2013 is 12 years ago. Actually insane, man. 12 years. Actually insane. Okay, are we above second stage distribution? Smart money reversal, low risk buy, first stage, second stage. If we close above here, then that's an entry, because we have an SMT. Okay, we went lower. Not an entry, of course. Maybe last time I heard this song was somewhat close to 2013. Crazy. Okay, we have a really tiny gap here, 411. It is an entry reckoning off this gap, taking out equal lows, singular FEG, high FEG. There. I guess 2013 this would be like a massive club song. I'm guessing. Stage of accumulation. Looking at this market maker buy model. That's a stage accumulation. It's a 1.2 RR. That'll be first and full TP. And then break even at the small highs, which is then here on ES. Let's see. Okay, that's just an L. Do we get anything else? No. That's just an L. Copy. It's not really going well, man. Now in a 5 losing streak with all of this. But yeah, it's just the system. But still, 5, it's hopefully this is the last losing trade. 411. It is a London session trading, right? Yeah, 100%. Okay, what do we do now? Let's skip to the next song. Alright, what do we do here? We have inverse this. Did we take our range high here? Yeah, I would say on yes there. Range low then would be here. On yes, same thing. And then range low here. Looking for small shorts, but probably will just trade lower instantly. There it is. No, technically it would be bullish, but do we get anything? I don't even think so. So the trade lower, range low is now taken. Yeah, let's see now. Opposite entry. I don't even know. Like, we probably want to go lower to the sell side. Then we are inside of a 1 hour busy, singular gap. And then we have taken liquidity inside of that gap, but probably by then the days just end in there, yeah. So there's that low taken. Yes, about to go there as well. It's not a 4 hour, but still, let's just see now. Damn, semi bearish actually. Sad to read the situation with the fund account. No worries, everything alive is a process. Input equals output. There is no other option. Keep up the good work. Thank you, man. Thank you, man, actually. Sometimes check in to see how you're doing, but never understood your model exactly. Could you do a quick intro if you don't mind? Yeah, of course, yeah. I'll do it on the next day. This is now insanely bearish. Let me just play this all out. Yeah, and that's the day there. Yeah. Copy this. Yeah, I'll show you. Yo, Leo. How are you, man? Yo, GM. What's good, man? How are you? Saw you passed the challenge, man. You're now funded. Crazy, man. Congrats again. Let's see. 1 minute. London. Price action. Still there, right? Yeah, no news. Okay. All right, let's go to Tuesday. CPI, yeah. All right, let's see what the draw is. So what I look for is going into the day. I'm just looking what is the higher time frame doing. Higher time frame for me, like it's just insanely bullish. Like this is just, is it bullish, is it bearish? That's just a question I ask myself. What is considered bullish, bearish? Change in state delivery to the upside. That's considered bullish or bearish. And then I zoom in and I look like, where is this candle, like the candle we're trading into, where is it trading towards? And I just look in this bullish leg, like, okay, I'm thinking with the idea, okay, we probably want to retrace and then probably want to go higher again, like really simple. So what I'm looking for is singular gap. So we have a busy here, here, here. I'm just looking for a singular one in the entire leg from swing low to swing high. Tiny one there and one here, 8 hour. We don't have any gaps in here, maybe a 12-hour forced one. Yeah, so on the 12-hour we have a swing low to swing high. And now we have a singular 12-hour busy, which is forced. Like on the 8-hour we didn't have any. On the 6-hour we had 2, so this tiny one and here. And then on the 12-hour we have one singular one, because there wasn't any gap on the 8-hour. So this is it's not going to be my draw on liquidity. Like I'm not saying like, okay, that busy, that's the singular busy, that's just going to be my draw. I'm looking for shorts. No, like higher time for me is still bullish, but it could be like the idea. I'm doing the same thing on ES here, by the way. So on ES we have a singular 4-hour here. It's with the idea of, okay, we do have a gap here, but we could just also react off equilibrium, optimal trade entry, and then just go higher. Like we don't have to tap the gap, but I can see here that ES did tap the singular gap here and did also take out the liquidity here. We do have an SMT. I don't necessarily think, okay, this SMT will hold and then we'll trade higher, but it is there. So we are getting a small reaction to the upside. But from now on, even though this looks insanely bearish, I am looking for longs. And then I'm looking in this leg, looking for stages of accumulation. So I'm looking at this market maker buy model, making it as clean as possible, kind of like subjective, but it is. This would be like the original, was it? The original consolidation, stage accumulation 1, 2, and then we have nothing in here. Look for a minimum of 2 stages. But then this would be another market maker model inside of the market maker model. So then making it as clean as possible as well. This would be the original consolidation, stage accumulation, and these are then my draws on liquidity, because I am still bullish higher time frame, and we did just step the gap. So I'm expecting a reaction higher. Even though if we could trade lower, I am not interested in shorts. Like I'm still going to be bullish biased. Intraday there can be something that would make me bearish, but it isn't right here now. And I can't like actually show it. I have to show it like when it's actually happening, because same thing, we have to have a singular gap, you have to range high taken and then inverse the gap, and then I could be bearish. But yeah, with me saying it, like you probably don't understand, so that's why it's not doesn't make any sense. But for now it's just a bullish bias. Same thing, zooming in, looking this small bullish leg, marking out the singular gaps. You don't have to tap it, but if we are in there, I'm expecting a reaction higher. This will be low hanging fruit. That will be the draw on liquidity, expecting for it to go higher. We could also just trade lower instantly. Then I have to check again, but see what we want to do. So far getting a nice reaction higher, and now I'm just simply playing out price and then looking at if I see my entry model. So a huge push here. I didn't see my entry model, and my entry model is, we take in a bullish scenario, we generate some sort of equal lows. We take those equal lows, and then what we do is we have a singular gap in that leg that took the liquidity, and then in that gap we could have 2 SIBIs. So we have a SIBI here, a bearish for value gap, and another bearish for value gap here. What I'm doing is, let's say this is the 1 minute time frame, I go to a 2 minute time frame until there is a singular gap. If there isn't a singular gap, it's simply no trade, but I'm waiting for the SIBI to get in first. We close above it. Now it's an inversion. Closure above is my entry, stops at the low, break even normally is at this high or open inefficiency, and then I'm targeting a 1-1 inside of a 1-2. So I'm simply just now looking for my entry model in the charts. So we now took that stage of accumulation, draw still higher, that'll be stage accumulation, same thing on yes there, and then even higher. But let's first see if we want to go here. Okay, maybe I could mark out this one as well. Do I think we're gonna go all the way up there? I have no idea. I'm just seeing what price will do, and I'm just reacting to what price is actually showing. But now it's still bullish. Yeah. Appreciate today was a good one. Yeah, nice, man. I am trading tomorrow. Yeah. Yeah, it's trading the entire day tomorrow. So insanely bullish. Didn't take out the buy side. The same buy side's there on the S. So now zooming in, we are trading lower. Where could be trading lower into? Gap here, a lot of gaps here. And just going through time frames, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes. We have 2 gaps here, 50 minutes, 1 more minute. And now we have a singular gap here on a 50 minute. So if we do want to go lower, then probably this is where we want to go to. And if we are inside of this, then what I want to see, oh yes, it's already inside of that singular gap. And I just want to see us build structure inside of this. And then from there, just push higher again. So take some sort of equal lows and then push higher. ES is already in that gap, NQ isn't, but it probably will also. Oh, maybe I missed a trade here. 2 minutes. No, so we took out this low, but we didn't take any equal lows, so no trade. That buy side's now taken. Look at that, like how clean it's playing out. Insanely crazy push, and then we have that gap, which we don't have to tap, but it is there. And then I don't know what we had on the ES actually. Did we have a singular gap? Oh yeah, we had. So we had a singular 4 hour here, which we did tap there. Okay, still just zooming in. This is the next stage of accumulation. This one was taken on NQ. ES has not taken it yet, but if it's taken on NQ or ES, I just remove it. This is the next draw, which there's actual buy side up there. And now just playing it out again. These are some sort of equal lows taken. We take another swing low, so it's not equal lows anymore. So if we inverse this now, we have taken one low and not these equal lows like we had it before, but yeah, I think you know what I mean. Now we have a singular 4 minute gap here. Do I think it's gonna hold? I have no idea. It could, doesn't have to. Trading lower, I'll just remove this gap to make it clean. Singular 4 minute on yes. If we disrespect this gap, I'm still expecting for it to go higher. Then we probably want to trade in where you want to trade into. Oh, we have a singular 50 minute gap. It is deep in a discount, so I don't even think we'll tap that, but maybe want to trade to equilibrium. But still, I'm just looking for longs here, looking for my entry model. Take out one low here, take out one low here. We have an inversion, but no equal lows taken, so waiting. Also nothing on here, 2 minutes. Yeah, nothing, so waiting. Okay, nice push. Or not. Okay, trading lower now again. If we inverse this gap, Oh, bro, I thought the mic was dead right there. I don't know what you heard, but yeah, we have an SMT equal lows taken inverse now. Thank you, Mokro GM. Yeah, I thought it really died there. Okay, let's see. So closure above, this is not the entry, and will it go? I have no idea. Break even on here because that high here is already taken on ES. Let's see if this wants to go, and then this is the draw. But it is outside of a 1 and 2R. I'm only targeting a 1 and 1 inside of a 1 and 2. There's nothing here on the left. So what I do here is I just target a fixed 1 and 1 with the idea of I think this will be at least hit, and then I think it will go even there. So this should at least be hit, right? But do you even want to go higher? I have no idea. Nice. Okay, so that is TP. Okay, break even. Look at that. Yeah, eventually we do go higher. That's very clean, but normally I was trading this same system, but I was going for a higher R trade. So I was going for a minimal 1 and 2 RR inside of a 1 and 3 RR. So this would have been my first TP. 75% would go off there, and I would leave a runner. But I would always be break even at a 1-1. Like my system was just based on a 1-1 break even or external high taken. It would have been break even here. And you could see I would have been stopped at break even there, and eventually do run higher. But yeah, this is a very nice example of my model. It was actually very clean price action. Yeah, what else? And also it doesn't always like this was looking so clear to me that we wanted to go at least here, but market can do anything it wants. So we could have also just teased the high here, make perfectly equal highs, and then just not go there at all this entire day. Like that's also why I don't really want to leave a TP to actual liquidity when we have like a higher time frame liquidity target. Yeah, but this was a very nice example. And then W. So time entry was at 10:39. 1 minute, New York. Price action was magnificent. It was nothing better I could have wished for. CPI at 8:30. Very nice. Okay. Go to Wednesday, and we have Powell speaking. So I'll be trading after he comes on, which is after 9 a.m., which is just New York Open. Let's find the trade. So let's go there. That's where the retracement ending is confirmed. It's all now. Yeah, thank you. Happy to see you don't enter without an SMT. Could use YM as extra confirmation, but it's less trustworthy. Yeah, I don't use YM, and yeah, we do have an SMT here, but it's not necessary for me to have an SMT. In this case, we had it, but it's not necessary. If there was an SMT without, or if there was no SMT there, then it would have been a trade. Yeah, honestly, this was a textbook. Like we had everything. Higher time frame, bullish, clean draw on liquidity, SMT equal lows, in a higher time frame gap. Yeah, this was very clean though. But yeah, SMT is not necessary for me. Did I paste a screenshot? No, I did not. There it is. Okay. Oh my god. Bro, I was trading Monday. Oh my god. So I was trading Monday. You have no news this Monday, which normally means I'm trading London session. I thought I was trading Tuesday. All this price action, all this clean structure, I shouldn't even have been trading this day. So this L or this W that I just took, wasn't supposed to take this. In the live market, I wouldn't have taken it. So going back, bro, I thought I was trading Tuesday. Oh my god. Yeah. Okay, it is what it is. Doesn't matter. It's funny. Yeah, draw is up there. Also here. Do you trade? Oh wait. I personally don't really like going break even until I start sizing out. Is there any reasoning as to why you go break even often and that fast? It depends on like the structure. Like the break even works in any condition, I would say. Like I have let's see, I can just pull up this really quick. So any type of market condition, very bullish. Like there are maybe, I don't know, millions different types of market conditions, like what we are doing. But I've just seen overall on data, like depending on what kind of environment we're trading in, on multiple years, I've just seen that it just saves me more times than not. So yeah, I'd rather get a break-even trade than a loss. And yeah, I need the break-even trades for it to be a profitable system also. Like, let's say, yeah, these are only break-even trades. Oh yeah, no, I can look at this actually. So break-even trades. These were all the break-even trades I took. So here, I would have been break-even there. This would have been a loss. I don't know what happened here. So yeah, this would have been a loss also if I didn't go break-even. This was unfortunately a TP, so left out of TP here. This was also a good break-even, like looks really clean to me, but that's not taken. Good break-even, good break-even, very small scalp. Unfortunately, that was a W. This is already a bit more W's than I normally see. Good break-even. Okay, again. Yeah, break even there on the tick. So again, W. I don't know what happened here. Good break even. I think it went higher again. Good break even. But yeah, I just count all the trades that if I didn't go break even, I count how many losses. So this would be one loss, one W. Okay. 2 losses, 1 W. 2 losses, 2 Ws. 3 losses, 2 Ws. Don't know what happened here. 4 losses, 2 Ws. Yeah, and just count it like so, and then just not on 1 year of data, but then like, I don't know, 3 years of data, and then just look at, okay, do I need to break evens? Do I not need to break evens? And I just found from data, yes, if I don't have the break even strategy, break even system implemented in it, then yeah, I'll take way more losses, which is can always, like, it isn't necessarily a bad thing, but yeah, in my case it is. I don't trade the forever model, no, I don't know. Thank you for watching, Martin. Thank you, man. See ya. You have data to support that it helps you more than, yes, yeah. Okay, so we're insanely bullish here, and then the draw is all the way higher, so I'm gonna be very, very bullish here. Just playing this out. If you do want to trade lower, yeah, like so. Seeing where do you want to trade into. Hopefully this is as clean as that Monday. But yeah, it's just not like, sometimes maybe, for example, this year, for example, we are insanely bullish. Like, I'm just saying something. Let's say we're extremely bullish this year. Then maybe I take a bit more break-even trades this year, which would have been a W. But I know overall, in like 5 years, I don't have to adjust the system. I'll just be trading a almost fully objective system. And I don't have to think about everything. Like, I don't have to think about, oh, does this look a bit more bullish or bearish? Do I go break even here? No, it's just always break even there, TP there, move stop there. Like, it's always just objective. Just do that. I see it. I do that. Yeah. And that's something I like, which is personal, of course. So we're in at 1 hour, but yeah, it is not, of course, fully personal. Like, there is, of course, yeah, that's the main reason why I'm doing it. There is, of course, data behind it. Okay, so say bearish here, but still looking for a long. Trading lower. Where are we trading lower into? If you disrespect this gap, then where do we have the range low? That would be here. So then I'm short-term bearish until here. Because probably by then we have traded into another gap, which is still considered bullish. So I think we'll just have taken liquidity here, and then we just only want to build structure again so we can go higher again. Let's see, 7 more minutes. So it's at a 1. You have inverse this. Yes, let's inverse this also. So let's see. Oh wait, we do have a tiny gap here, 2 hour. Oh, it's still bullish then, because ES, even though NQ is pretty bearish, ES is still holding this singular busy. And then even though NQ inverse this here, higher time frame is bullish for me. So what I do is I look at this as a deeper retracement and mark out open entry, and then still expecting for it to go higher. If it just drops lower, then I'm not interested. Let's see, nothing here. Very nice push so far. Okay, maybe 2 minute here. No, because we have small CB here and here. So yeah, and yes, still respecting it. Still thinking we want to go higher. This would be a stage of accumulation. Buy side, buy side, buy side. All right, let's see. Very nice so far. Nothing here yet. I do see a gap here, which we now inverse. Did take equal lows on this. Yes, as well. Didn't take that low, but you don't have to. Did take these equal lows on this one swing low. And then NQ, same thing actually. This low, all these lows. Right there. IFG. Okay, break even here. TP outside of A1 and 2, so I'm literally targeting a fix 1-1 with the idea of, okay, I think we will go at least here, so that 1-1 should be at least hit, right? But who knows, maybe we even want to go lower, maybe it's not even a break even. Market can do anything at once. Okay, let's see. Break even. Okay, W. Okay. Do we eventually want to go higher? Look at that. I think this is a nice example. Like, look how clean this looks. Like, if you don't see this, like if you see this, just retracing, I would have been stopped at break even here. You see the market going higher. This draw, okay, looks so clear. And then what do? The market can do anything it wants and just trades lower, insanely lower. I don't even know if you do want to, maybe eventually want to go higher, but at this break even would have prevented me of, if I was trading or going for a higher R trade, this would have prevented me taking a L, which is then nice. But yeah, I'm going for a 1-1 anyway. So yeah, a very nice example, I would say. So I'm going to copy this. And oh yeah, also let's use I took a W trade then. Price action was just alright, or it was good. Was it? Yeah, it was good. Yeah, we had CPI. Okay, very nice. Have you ever gotten a funded? Yes, I blew my first funded Friday. But I did had one, not anymore. Slowly trying to, or yeah, I'm just trying to get funded again. If you want to know how I lost the funded, I'm not going to go tell the entire story again. But yeah, I made a video on it today. I don't know if you want to watch it, but yeah. Unfortunately lost it Friday. Wednesday, Powell speaking, only at 9 AM, so I'm trading, or I'm just fine to trade when he is speaking, so at 9:30. See, what do we have? Still in Singy bullish. Where do we trade into? Busy here. I don't think we have a singular one. Or do we? Okay, we do have swing low, swing high here. Then 2 gaps, so small one here, there. I think this is just a retracement. What do we do on ES? Okay, disrespect this as well. Now we do have this range, like this low looks almost equal. Still going to be bullish though. If we do want to trade lower, where do we want to trade lower into? We do have multiple gaps in here as well. Yeah, probably take this low, and then again, run a gap here, and then I'm expecting for it to go higher again. It could be bearish here, I would say, because we have busies here. Let's see if we have a singular one in the entire leg. Yeah, we have a singular one from swing high to swing low here. If you disrespect this, both in NQ and ES, I'm short-term bearish until depends on the range low, which is then way lower on in NQ. But then yes, it's right there. So let's see what do we have on ES. We don't have a singular gap here, I don't think. No. Okay, then we have one here, one there. 30 minutes. Yeah, will be a single 1 hour or 2 on the 1 hour. Then we tap the gap here. We have an SMT at this low, taking out equal lows there. So here. Do you want to get a reaction after that? I have no idea, but I am still going to be bullish. Looking at this as a small market maker model. Original consolidation, stage accumulation, stage accumulation. These are going to be draws on liquidity. There and there. Let's see if you want to go there. See what 930 wants to do. And we had no other news except that Powell speaking. Okay, so trading lower. We're still respecting the gap, so I'm also could mark out this range here. And then we are trading lower, very like looks very bearish. But yeah, I do think ES wants to go to this low, but I'm just looking at price, what price is actually showing. This is just very bearish, but still higher time frame would be bullish for me. So let's see. Okay, nice push so far. Okay, very nice push. Look at that. So up north for entry, just tap that. I don't think I missed an entry here. No, definitely not. Okay, so just now zooming in, looking at the structure. Even though we disrespected this, ES is still respecting the gap, so it doesn't matter that we disrespected this. And yeah, 3 hour gap, so it could be that we wick the gap here and then buddies tell the story, wicks do the damage, and so far it looks like it. But yeah, as I said, it's just going to be bullish for me anyway there. Stage accumulation taken there. Yeah, probably this will be taken instantly as well. I hope that we don't. Okay, this looks good. Oh, I want to say, okay, now we have taken some sort of, created some sort of lows here. If you have an inversion, then I could look for a long there, but we instantly push higher, which happens. Yeah. So all that buy sides are now taken. Very, very nice. Very clean. Look at that, respecting that. And then now he's taking the buy side here, which is low hanging fruit. Again, insanely bullish. Reaction here was, I don't even know, what was it? Like a 12 hour or something? Daily? Daily? I don't even know. I don't even know. But still, it's going to be bullish from there. And then looking at this market maker buy model, looking always for 2 stages. This would be the original, because that's the highest point. Yeah, it would be here then. Maybe a 50-minute even. Let's see, 15. No, 30-minute. Okay, so then these stages of accumulation, that just tells me also that there's nothing on the left here. Like we do have probably a gap here, like a 1 hour, I don't even know. But that means like these targets, these highs, those are going to be my draw on liquidity. So anything that's in between from where we're at now and there, I'm not, like, let's say I'm in a long, I'm not targeting something in there and then expecting for it to go lower. I'm just expecting for it to push higher now. Do we get that? I don't know, but it isn't also going to be like that this is my draw on liquidity. If I'm in a long, that this is going to be first CP, you know, like this is the draw on liquidity. I think the market will trend towards there. So just be very bullish, but it's definitely not a target. And now just playing out structure and seeing if my setup forms here. We are trading lower. Let's see where lower into. Busy here, maybe singular 30 minutes. Yeah, so in 9 minutes we'll create a gap there, even though we have 2. Normally I don't mark these out because we'll just create a new one anyway. So right now, oh, we don't even have a gap, so then we have 2. This could still be going lower actually, 15. So this gap here, we did take the range high now on ES right here, or NQ and ES. You do have an SMC. If ES or NQ inverses this, so closes below, doesn't mean anything by itself, but if ES also close below it, its singular gap or 2 gaps, which is here in 1 minute. I don't think NQ will close below in 1 minute here. But then I'm short-term bearish until the range low, which would then be, we have a gap here, but that's balanced. So range low would be all the way there. For yes, same thing. So it could be very bearish if we close below. So far we're still respecting it, so I'm still technically looking at this bullish. So if my bullish setup forms, I'm taking that long, but normally it doesn't even form. See what time this is also, 10:59, also almost outside my kill zone. Nothing here yet, 11:10. We did close below now, so I can look for shorts, both on NQ and ES. But yeah, there's not going to be a short here, I don't think. Yeah, now it's outside my kill zone, go to the PM. Let's see, oh look at that inversion, wow. Now, well, we already got that run in lunch. Price action or ICT? I'm trading ICT concepts. Yo, Tur. I did, man. I took 2 losing trades, unfortunately. Yeah. I took a long here in this BISI. Like, yeah, was actually very nice. Like, body's telling the story that it's still bullish. Wicks doing the damage, and yeah, I got stopped in these wicks here. So I took 13.15. I was on the charts right here. I took a long here. And I took a long here, again using that same inversion right there on that candle, and then taking some sort of equal lows right there, and then equal lows here again. But then yeah, we didn't want to go higher, and then this was the inversion. But yeah, the idea was right, I would say. We just wanted to have a bigger manipulation lower, because eventually we still respect it. So I would say that's a bigger, deeper retracement for manipulation, but my setup formed here, so I'm always taking the setup if it forms. And then unfortunately after we, yeah, not exactly when I got stopped, but the idea was just correct, I would say. But yeah, took 2 losses. And you? W or L today? Took 2 L's today. L day today. Let's see what my draw is now. So daily, yeah, daily gaps here. We have, yes, so daily. Then we have this daily gap, which we are trading below. We didn't close below this yet, but with daily gaps, if we are below it, trading below it, then it can be bearish. Also, if ES also does the same thing, like not just right now, but ES also has to do the same, which I think it is doing the same. Yeah, so right here. So I'm just going to be looking for shorts now. Draw liquidity changed. Looking at this market maker sell model. Original consolidation, stage accumulation. Yeah, so it's going to be a draw, which he has already took. So the only draw would be here. Again, it's not going to be like first TP or something, low hanging fruit here. But I think the market wants to trade towards there. Let's see. And then I'm bearish until, if he tapped this daily BISI, then it's still going to be bullish again for me. So but let's see what we have. Just looking for my model here now again. Nothing here. Take out one high there. Nothing here. Probably holding a gap in here as well. 4-minute SIBI. Liquidity inside the SIBI here. Maybe want to take that and then drop lower. Who knows? Okay, we do have an SMT here. I didn't even see. Let's see what we want to do. Okay, eventually we do want to trade lower. Can take any liquidity, so no entries for me. Nice drop though. Okay, wow, okay. Okay, that's crazy. So now we took out that buy side. Yeah, this will be last trading day, then I'm not gonna end the session. Let's go to bed, work tomorrow. Okay, nothing here, waiting for new structure, because we have a very bullish lag here. Looking always for singular gaps. Like singular gap here would probably be, oh, it is a 5-minute. Oh shit, then it is a 5-minute entry. I don't have 5-minute trades that often, so. 14:30, closure below, so I can hold until 15:30. Normally, I'm closing the trade just before 15, but if I take an entry at 14:30, I can hold it a bit longer. Yeah, I don't often have 5 minutes IVGs, but equalize, rating over the Sibi, speed to draw. There's also TP. Let's see. And then break even at a fixed 1-to-1, which is almost TP as well. And then break even on the SOP here and on also TP. If ES takes this and NQ isn't there, then it would be a fixed 1-to-1. Let's see if we want to go lower. Oh, I got filled a bit higher. Whoops. Place order. Save. Okay. Right. We've gotten. Yeah. Oh, I got filled a bit higher. My entry should be here, but it's fine. Okay. Okay, so I'm still in. No break even, nothing. Still in. What time is this? 15:10. There it is. 15:20. So, as I said, ES took the low, which I think NQ will also go here. But you never know. Market can do anything at once. First and full TP will be at a 1-to-1 then. Fixed, I guess. ES took the low. So we could create an SMT and then go higher, but yeah. But even this, like, even though this looks that obvious that we want to go here, I've seen many times that the SMT still hold and we'll just go there. Like, something crazy. Just don't trust the market. Very nice. Okay, very nice trade. Small scalp, 1-to-1 on a 5 minute. Entry, closure, 15:20. Very nice. W. So entry was at here. Time from entry was on a 5 minute. New York price action was pretty good, I would say. News, we had Powell speaking, Chairman speaking, and then some medium as well, I think. Yeah, PPI, some medium. So Powell speaking at 9. Yeah, 9 a.m. Okay, very nice. Let's see where I ended the session. Didn't take anything. Set up forms while I was in school, so couldn't take it. Are still in the QQQ investment from a while ago? Yeah, I am. Yeah, you remember. Yeah, I am. I'm actually. Let's see. It was very nice actually. The long that I took. We're still trending higher. Very nice. These all look like losing trades, but these were break-even trades. So, yeah, I took 3 losses and then 2 W stat this year so far, and I'm down was 1%, which I'm risking 1% per trade on this. So, I'm down 1 trade so far this month, which is all right. Can of course change. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, so I'm almost. I went in with 800 euros, and it's now at 967. So it's pretty nice. Yeah, I was really thinking, like, just from like ICT concepts point of view, just we're trading, like we're trading futures, but yeah, like my investment is here in here as well, and just higher time frame. What did we do? Just we had this huge drop. Market's gonna crash. No, of course not. But where did we trade lower into? All this stuff here. This just looks like a retracement for it to go higher to all-time highs again. Just zooming out on higher time frames. 1 month, 3 months. Okay, that's annoying, that paper trade. Let's see if I can turn off the executions. Yeah. 6 months. 6 months. What do we do? Very clean BISC here. We have a big wick. We're just in this BISC. Low hanging fruit. Buy side liquidity. It's just, yeah, literally the position. Like I thought, wow, this is just a perfect moment to buy. But yeah, I bought. I wanted to buy in this gap, but I thought the market was just gonna pump from there once we tapped the gap, but we didn't. But still, I got a very nice fill. I got in here. So we had very clean equal lows. I wanted to get in the gap, but I thought the market was gonna pump after these lows. But yeah, eventually we had a huge drop lower. But look at that. So I'm up. I'm up 22%, which is nice, and it will be even more because all-time highs is coming. And that'll be 30%. That's insane. But yeah, I just want to have the market drop again. I don't know where to, but maybe inside of here, like maybe I don't know, just right to this gap, go lower, maybe somewhere in here, in this leg, and then I want to add, but I don't think it will happen. Like, I think, looking at this from ICT concepts point of view again, smart money reversal, low risk buy, first stage distribution. It could be low risk buy, first stage distribution, second stage, somewhere here, and then this would be the quickest run, as IST says. So yeah, this will maybe just fly through all of this. Who knows? But yeah, if it does retrace somewhere in here, then I maybe want to add. But yeah, very nice. BLTR going to be $20 market cap in 10 years. 20 trillion. BLTR best stock in entire market for past 2 years already. We are still very early. BLTR moves 30% on a weekly. Wow, what? Crazy. What's the difference between combine and funded account for you? I mean, like, what it does to me mentally? But yeah, nothing actually. The only difference for me is change account. I'm risking $300, or no, funded. I'm risking $300 per trade, and change account I'm risking $500 per trade. But other than that, nothing. I don't take different trades on the funded compared to the challenge. Yeah, even though I don't have a funded anymore. But yeah, gonna end it here. Gonna go to sleep. Yeah, since you already funded it, not anymore. I don't know if you heard Ozpan, but yeah, if you want, I made a video on it today. But yeah, everyone, gonna end it here. Everyone, really honestly appreciate that you were watching. Have a good night or a nice day. Ozpan, GM, Tour, Mayank, more you know, Makro. Leo maybe still here. Nins, William, and I think that's everyone. Have a good night or a nice day. And again, honestly, appreciate that you're watching. See you guys. Ciao.